The MRC formed back in 2000 when several e-commerce merchants got together and realized they had a common problem, and that is online fraud.
When the original group got together, really it was because we had nowhere else to go. We had nowhere else to turn to really understand what was happening with regard to e-commerce fraud.
And that's, I think, what makes it unique, is that there was this common enemy for these merchants, and still remains the case today.
You've got merchants, you've got payment networks, you've got solution providers, you've got academics, law enforcement. It's really a unique space whenever all of these great minds come together and work together for a common purpose.
You're learning from Netflix and Uber and Microsoft and Google, and that information is really powerful.
Most places want to stay siloed. They don't want to share information. Here you have a lot more collaboration between colleagues, and I really haven't seen that anywhere else before.
There are thousands of people that come to this with the objective of fighting fraud and make your business stronger.
MRC has these different communities based on your interest level. It could be a fraud community, payment community, women community, and they meet on a regular basis.
There's very few places and times where you can have a question that you feel is unsolvable and someone else in that community can say, I'm dealing with it now, and here's my take on it.
The MRC community has provided me an army of people that you can rely on to give you an answer. So you can lean on those connections and that network to really build your solutions, build your strategy, and evolve.
Problems in this space are not going away. The industry is constantly changing, fraud is constantly changing, and you see a lot of new vendors that are offering innovative solutions.
For someone who's considering membership in the MRC, just know that it's so much more than just conferences. You have a repository of years of webinars and materials at your fingertips.
I utilize the website and the updates and webinars frequently to gain additional information about what's happening in the industry.
So on an on-demand basis, you can use their platform and learn about anything in the fraud or payment industry. It's a resource-rich organization.
You don't realize how much this organization has to offer until you join and open that portal that allows you access to all those member benefits.
I have a lot of good relationships with the people in this community. It's very sincere and authentic. We all have a passion and we come together to try and optimize payments, reduce fraud.
You're part of a trusted community, and being able to have those really open conversations is, to me, what the merchant community is about.
Sharing ideas is just the heart and soul of the MRC. I would advise anyone who's thinking about joining the MRC to really embrace that and take part in the organization.
If you want to keep ahead of technology, this is the place.
MRC merchants have lower fraud rates and lower chargeback rates than non-MRC merchants. That's just fact. It's the best investment you'll ever make.
The mission of the MRC is to make e-commerce safe and profitable everywhere. Face-to-face collaboration is where true dynamic conversations take place. Come to one of our events and see for yourself the power of the collaboration with other professionals.